Hi everyone, I'm Spencer Doman and I'm speaking to you from Doman International. And today I'm here in Moscow, Russia, and we're here on the second day of our appointments here. And this morning I started with a family who took the Doman Method course 2 months ago, and they got started with a home program. And their child, who is diagnosed as autistic, has already made incredible gains after just 2 months of program. So, for example, he started reading for the first time in his life, although he's 8 years of age. And today, as I did his evaluation, he recognized every single word that I showed to him. He used to be so hypersensitive to sounds that he couldn't even tolerate the sound of an air conditioner. It was debilitating to him. Now, no problems. He used to be so sensitive to touch that his own dad couldn't even touch him on the head. And his dad today kind of rubbed his head and said, "Look, he's fine now." So, these results after just 2 months show the powerful impact that this program can have on a family and on a child. And that's why I'm speaking to you today about a new fundraising effort that Doman International has started, which is called Empower Families with Children with Special Needs. And it's a global giving fundraiser. We're trying to raise over $12,000 to help take our knowledge and tools and put it online. Right now, parents travel from all around the world and pay thousands and thousands of dollars to access the knowledge of Doman International by coming and attending our conferences. Imagine if that information was put online so any parent in the world with a child with special needs could access that knowledge immediately, right now. That's the whole point of this fundraiser. I gave to the fundraiser yesterday, and this morning I was reminded about why I gave to this important effort. So I'd ask you, if you know a family that's been helped by this information, if you know a child or have heard of a child who has been helped by the Doman Method, I would ask that you consider making a small contribution to this amazing, amazing effort and be a part of helping a lot of families. Now, if you're one of those people who might not have the funds right now to be able to donate, I would ask that you consider just sharing this video so that hopefully one of your friends or one of your family who do have access to those kinds of funds, that they could make a donation. And in that way, you're a part of that success as well. Okay, thanks so much for listening to this video, and I want to thank all of you for your help and efforts.